Hi guys, today we will explain about how to link threads to Instagram. The process is simple and easy. First, open your thread application. Once it will be open, tap on your profile icon which is on the bottom right. And here we have two ways by which you can link your thread account with your Instagram account. The first way is make sure you have created your thread account with the help of your Instagram username and password because thread have a feature, and with the help of this feature you can create thread account using your Instagram username and password. If you have created your thread account with the help of your Instagram, then your both account will be linked together. And let me show you. I will tap on the Instagram icon which is on the right top, and here you can see when I tap on that my Instagram profile is open. And also I have another way. Tap on the share profile and tap on the option copy link. Now let's go back to thread and tap on the option edit profile. Here you can see the option link. Tap on it and simply paste the link and tap on this tick icon which is on the right top, and now you can see Instagram profile has been linked with my thread account. And it was the way by which you can do it easily.